I'm going to show you a real quick dill sauce. This is one option when eating this delicious meal. So to the little pot, I added 2 tablespoons of butter. To the melted butter, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of white onion, and you can also use yellow onion. And we're going to just fry this on a medium high for a few minutes, just until the onions are soft and translucent. Okay, the onions are cooked like I want them, and now we're going to add in 3/4 cup of 15% cooking cream. Give that a little stir, and to that we're going to add in some more dill. So it's a good 3-finger pinch of dill, which is about a good tablespoon worth. You can add less, you can add more. So we're just going to keep that on the heat for 2 to 5 minutes until it thickens up, and then we'll be done. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and the warm dill sauce is greatly reduced and nice and thick, and that is going to be really delicious on our Nalysnyky. So I'm going to put a lid on this and serve it up on my crepes very soon.